I got a mystery box in the mail. Let's find out what is in here. Hello friends, Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in. And in today's video, I'm opening this box I received from our good friends from MxScents. I recently connected with MxScents over Twitter, and he found out that I enjoy fragrances. I like to talk about fragrances, and I somehow have this fragrance interest. So he said he was going to send a couple of fragrances for us to test here in the channel, and also to give away to some of our lucky subscribers in this channel. So MxScents is the company by Maximo Beans. He is a perfumer, and these are fragrances actually that he has formulated, and I'm very interested to see what they smell like. So let's check them out. See. Here's the box. Here's the content. And I got here 2 fragrances. Let's see. This one is called Just Him. I'm guessing that it's a masculine scent. And this one is called Baron. Baron is also the word for male in Spanish. And there is also a small sample in here. Let's see what this one is. Oh, actually there are more than one sample here. So this is the MxScents business card. There is their website and their phone number in case that you are if you have inquiries in these products. He was nice enough to also send me a sample pack of other fragrances for me to try here. So I got here the 2 fragrances that he sent, Baron and Just Him. These are 30 ml bottles in each one of these boxes. The box is a cotton box, and if you want to see the the bottle, is this 30 ml size bottle. It looks like a very simple perfume bottle. The presentation of the bottles very simple. And I really appreciate the simplicity on the bottles. Actually, I think that it's very uncomplicated and very functional. So I appreciate that. But the scents in these fragrances are also included in the sample packs that he sent for you to see. This is the sample pack that he included in that box. And I got here the 2 fragrances that he included in that bag, so I'm gonna actually test them from the sample packs. It is Baron and Just Him. Let's see first a little test of Just Him. A little bottle here. Don't want to spill it during the opening. Come on. Well, seal it. Put some here on my hand, and I can describe you the scent. This is just him. This is a clean, fresh fragrance. I will say that is for all year round type of fragrance, all year round type of fragrance. I think is very good for outdoor activities, and this kind of tells me like a young person, like a high schooler to up to college student, maybe young professional will be good wearing this fragrance. It's just him, kind of fresh, semi-sweet, not too sweet actually. And this one, Baron, which is the other bottle we have included in that package. I'm gonna add it to this. I'm gonna put it in this other hand. This one, the scent, it comes out a little bit for more mature people. By no means I'm saying old people, I'm saying just mature person. I think it's a good fragrance for the office, maybe for a little bit more indoor activities. And the scent is still very clean, kind of fresh. It's not all the way fresh, but it's not sweet either. So it's more like a white scent. It is not offensive by any chance. So it is a really easy to wear fragrance, and I'll say for a little bit more mature people. So those are my impressions of Baron and just him from MxScents. Thank you very much for sending those fragrances, because this is just a first impression. I'm not able to give you more details on performance of these fragrances or projection and potential feedback from people around me, because I haven't had the opportunity to wear them out there. But I will be doing that. I will do a full review of those fragrances, and also I will be doing a giveaway for those two fragrances, because that's actually the purpose that MxScents sent them to me, for me to give away to a lucky subscriber for this channel. So I will be doing that in a future video. Until then, that's all I have for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in. I really hope that you consider to share the content of this channel with other people that you may know that will enjoy this type of conversation. And I will really appreciate if you consider to add me in other social media platforms. I am very active in Facebook, I'm active in Instagram, and also in Twitter. So it will be nice to connect there with you, the viewer of this channel. So thank you very much. I hope you consider to come back here next week for another video. And until then, take care and be well. Bye.